for Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota. Northeastern Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota. Northwestern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota. Until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grand Meadow, or 13 miles east of Austin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include all size hail and 15 in southeastern Minnesota until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m. All severe thunderstorm was located near Grand Meadow, over 15 miles east of Austin, northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include all size hail and 15 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe thunderstorm will be near Grand Meadow around 6 p.m. and Spring Valley around 6 p.m. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Interstate 90 exit 209, Highway 63 and 16, Hamilton, Interstate 90 exit 163, Interstate 90 exit 205, and Spring Valley around 6 p.m. Watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Minnesota. Thunderstorm includes Interstate 90 exit 209 on the north shore of Highway 16, Hamilton, Interstate 90 exit 193 to Black Forest. A severe thunderstorm warning and then for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore, Northwest Illinois. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 MHz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Sunday for Fillmore,